Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, January 23, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayon Thursday, January 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong January 23, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 23, 2025 Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for January 23, 2025 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, January 23, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.